This episode is brought to you by Arkay Beverages. Picture this. You want the vibe of a drink, that warm, smooth little kick, but you also want to wake up tomorrow feeling sharp. Well, that's Arkay, the world's first zero-proof spirits brand. They invented the warm molecule, a patented way to deliver that familiar burn without the alcohol. Now, they spent 14 years perfecting more than 28 alcohol-free spirits. 0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 regrets. Arkay is made so you can celebrate fully, feel your best, and never compromise. Try the zero-proof revolution at arkaybeverages.com. That's A-R-K-A-Y beverages.com. Use the code PHIL for 15% off your first beverage. Arkay gives you great flavor without the alcohol.